We live in a fast-paced world. Finding time for cooking feels impossible. But what if I told you that eating healthy doesn't have to be time-consuming? You can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals even with a hectic schedule. This docuseries, narrated by several of our culinary specialists, is your guide to navigating the world of quick and healthy cooking.
Number 1. Healthy food, happy life. Eating healthy offers numerous benefits, both physically and mentally. It's not just about losing weight, it's about feeling your best. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are the high-octane fuel your body craves. Don't get caught up in the misconception that healthy eating is expensive or time-consuming. Embrace simple, whole foods and get creative in the kitchen. From meal prepping on weekends to utilizing leftovers creatively, you'll discover how to make healthy eating a sustainable part of your lifestyle.
Number 2. Rise and shine with power. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Quick and healthy breakfast options are within your reach. Meals that take minutes to assemble but provide long-lasting energy and essential nutrients. Think of breakfast as an opportunity to nourish your body with a powerhouse of nutrients.
Number 3. Your canvas for flavor. Let's talk about oatmeal. It's a blank canvas for flavor, a breakfast superhero in disguise. For a quick and easy breakfast option, try overnight oats. Get creative with your toppings. Add fresh or frozen berries, sliced bananas, chopped nuts, or a sprinkle of chia seeds or flax seeds. Oatmeal is not just for breakfast either. It makes a great base for healthy cookies, muffins, or even energy bars.
Number 4. Eggs over easy, health over everything. Eggs are a breakfast staple for a reason. They're affordable, versatile, and packed with protein and essential nutrients. For a protein-packed breakfast, try a simple scramble with your favorite veggies. For a more elegant option, try poached eggs on whole wheat or avocado toast. Eggs are also a great source of choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in brain health. So, start your day with eggs and give your brain the fuel it needs. Your body will thank you for it.
Number 5. Lunch on the fly. Lunch often gets squeezed between meetings and errands. The key to conquering lunchtime is preparation. By dedicating a little time on the weekend or the night before, you can assemble delicious and nutritious lunches. Invest in a few good quality lunch containers and you'll save money and calories. So, ditch the takeout menus and embrace the art of the packed lunch.
Number 6. A symphony of freshness. Salads often get a bad rap for being boring or unsatisfying, but a well-constructed salad is anything but. Salads are a symphony of freshness. Start with a bed of leafy greens and add colorful vegetables. For a boost of protein, top your salad with grilled chicken, salmon, tofu, or hard-boiled eggs. A simple vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs is a healthy and delicious option. Salads are a great way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations.
Number 7. Sandwiches reimagined. Sandwiches are a lunchtime classic for a reason, but the traditional sandwich can get a little boring. Opt for whole grain bread, wraps, or lettuce cups for a healthier base. Choose lean protein sources like grilled chicken, turkey breast, or tuna. Load up on fresh vegetables and add a dollop of hummus, avocado, or pesto. With a little imagination, you can transform this lunchtime staple into a culinary masterpiece. So, ditch the prepackaged sandwiches and embrace the art of the homemade sandwich.
Number 8. Your secret weapon, leftovers, the unsung heroes of the lunch hour. Instead of viewing leftovers as yesterday's news, think of them as pre-made meals waiting to be enjoyed. Repurpose them creatively with different flavor combinations and cuisines. Leftovers are a great way to reduce food waste and save time and money. So next time you're cooking dinner, double the recipe and pack the leftovers for lunch the next day.
Number 9. Dinner time delights. Dinner marks the end of a long day. Quick and healthy dinners don't have to be a fantasy. With a little planning and a few clever shortcuts, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious dinners. Healthy eating shouldn't feel like a chore. It's about nourishing your body with delicious food. Simplify your recipes and utilize cooking methods that minimize your time in the kitchen. From sheet pan dinners to flavorful stir fries, we've got you covered. So ditch the takeout menus and let's get cooking.
Number 10. One-pan wonders. Let's talk about sheet pan dinners, the superheroes of weeknight cooking. Simply toss your favorite protein and vegetables on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil and seasonings, and pop it in the oven. The beauty of sheet pan dinners lies in their versatility. To ensure even cooking, cut your vegetables into uniform sizes. For an extra flavor boost, try tossing your vegetables in a marinade before roasting. Sheet pan dinners are a great way to minimize cleanup, so ditch the multiple pots and pans and embrace the ease of one-pan wonders.
Number 11. Embrace the power of the slow cooker. The slow cooker, the ultimate time-saving appliance for busy individuals and families. Simply toss your ingredients into the slow cooker in the morning, set it and forget it. Slow cookers are incredibly versatile and can handle a wide range of recipes. As your ingredients simmer slowly over low heat, their natural juices are released, creating a depth of flavor that's hard to replicate with other cooking methods.
Number 12. Delicious and flavorful. Who says quick and easy meals have to be bland and boring? Not in our kitchen. We believe that flavor should never be sacrificed for convenience. Embrace the power of herbs and spices to add instant flavor. A sprinkle of dried oregano can transform a simple tomato sauce. Utilize pre-chopped vegetables and pre-marinated proteins to save time. A well-stocked pantry can make all the difference when you're short on time. Remember, cooking should be enjoyable, not stressful. Ditch the takeout menus and rediscover the joy of cooking.
Number 13, our secret weapon. Meal prep, your secret weapon. Weeknight dinners. They can be a recipe for disaster when you're juggling work, family, and a social life. You get home late, you're tired, and the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. That's where meal prep comes in, like a sous chef for your busy life. Think of meal prep as setting yourself up for success. By dedicating a couple of hours on the weekend to cooking in bulk, you'll have a week's worth of healthy meals and snacks ready to go. No more last-minute takeout orders or unhealthy impulse decisions. Start by planning your meals for the week. Choose recipes that are easy to make in bulk and that will keep well in the refrigerator. Roasted vegetables, quinoa salads, and grilled chicken breasts are all great options. Once you've planned your meals, make a grocery list and stick to it. When it comes to meal prep containers, invest in a variety of sizes and shapes. This will allow you to portion out your meals and snacks in advance, making it easy to grab and go on busy mornings. Glass containers are a great option as they're microwave and dishwasher safe.
Number 14. The art of the grocery list. The grocery store, a land of temptation and impulse buys. One minute you're grabbing a carton of eggs, the next you're walking out with a shopping cart full of processed snacks and sugary treats. But it doesn't have to be this way. With a well-planned grocery list, you can navigate the aisles with ease and avoid derailing your healthy eating goals. Before you even step foot in the grocery store, take inventory of your pantry and refrigerator. What do you already have on hand? What ingredients do you need to replenish? This will help you avoid buying duplicates and reduce food waste. Next, plan your meals for the week and make a list of all the ingredients you'll need. Organize your list by category: produce, dairy, proteins, etc. to make your shopping trip more efficient. Here's a pro tip: stick to the perimeter of the grocery store. This is where you'll find the freshest and healthiest foods, like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and dairy products. The inner aisles are typically home to processed foods and sugary snacks. Of course, there are exceptions to every rule. Hello, whole grains. But using this general guideline can help you make healthier choices. Don't be afraid to try new ingredients. The grocery store is a great place to expand your culinary horizons. Pick up a new fruit or vegetable each week and experiment with different recipes.
Number 15, embrace the leftovers. Leftovers, yes, you heard that right. They often get a bad rap, conjuring up images of sad, soggy Tupperware containers relegated to the back of the refrigerator. But let's face it, cooking a full meal every single night is a tall order, especially when you're short on time and energy. That's where leftovers come in, like a culinary magic trick that transforms yesterday's dinner into a brand new meal. Instead of viewing leftovers as yesterday's news, think of them as a blank canvas for culinary creativity. With a few simple tweaks, you can transform those leftover roasted vegetables into a hearty frittata, that grilled chicken breast into a flavorful salad, or that lentil soup into a comforting grain bowl. One of the easiest ways to breathe new life into leftovers is to change up the cuisine. For example, that leftover roasted chicken can be shredded and tossed with Asian-inspired sauces and vegetables for a quick and easy stir-fry. Or those roasted vegetables can be blended into a creamy soup with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Another great way to utilize leftovers is to incorporate them into your lunch the next day. Pack a leftover salad, sandwich, or grain bowl for a satisfying and nutritious midday meal. Remember, leftovers don't have to be boring. With a little imagination and a few pantry staples, you can transform them into delicious and exciting meals that will save you time and money.
Number 16. Your health, your choice. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to let healthy eating slip down the priority list. Deadlines pile up, and the allure of takeout menus beckons louder. But our health is our most valuable asset. Nourishing your body doesn't require a complete life overhaul. It's about making conscious choices, one meal at a time. This isn't about striving for perfection, it's about progress. Some days, you'll nail that meal-prepped lunchbox. Other days, you might reach for a quick sandwich, and that's okay. Life is all about balance. Each healthy choice is a step in the right direction. Think of healthy eating as a long-term investment. You're investing in a healthier, happier future.
Number 17, small changes, big impact. Transforming your eating habits doesn't require a complete kitchen overhaul. It's about making small, sustainable changes that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new healthy recipes into your weekly routine. Experiment with different grains, load up on colorful fruits and vegetables, and discover new ways to flavor your food without relying on excess salt or unhealthy fats. Remember those practical tips we discussed? Put them into action. Devote a couple of hours on the weekend to meal prepping, and you'll thank yourself on those busy weeknights when time is of the essence. Master the art of the grocery list, and you'll avoid those impulse buys that derail your healthy eating goals. And don't underestimate the power of leftovers. With a little creativity, you can transform yesterday's dinner into a brand new meal. Most importantly, be kind to yourself. Change takes time, and setbacks are a natural part of the process. Don't beat yourself up if you have an off day or indulge in a less than healthy meal. Every day is a new opportunity to make healthy choices. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate your successes along the way. As you embark on this journey towards a healthier lifestyle, remember that you're not alone. There's a world of support out there, from online communities to registered dietitians who can provide personalized guidance. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it.
Number 18. Bon appetit and good health. As we reach the end of this culinary adventure, I hope you're feeling inspired and empowered to take charge of your health. Remember, healthy eating isn't about deprivation or following strict rules. It's about nourishing your body with delicious food that makes you feel your best. Embrace the joy of cooking, experiment with new flavors, and discover the satisfaction of creating healthy meals that fit seamlessly into your busy life.
Remember those quick and easy breakfast recipes that will jumpstart your mornings? Those flavorful lunch options that will power you through the afternoon slump? And those satisfying dinner ideas that will make weeknight cooking a breeze? Put them into action and watch as your relationship with food transforms.
Eating healthy isn't just about the food on your plate. It's about cultivating a positive relationship with food and with yourself. It's about listening to your body's cues, honoring your hunger and fullness, and finding pleasure in nourishing yourself with wholesome ingredients.
Bon appetit and good health. So, go forth and embrace the delicious world of quick and healthy cooking. Fuel your body, nourish your soul, and savor every bite. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.